In this video, I will show you how to make a TikTok avatar. Now, to create your TikTok avatar, you need first to go to effects, then select the avatar effect. The next thing is to choose your avatar template above here, then go on to record your video with all the facial expressions you want. And to make a customized avatar, you need first to tap this plus icon, then choose your avatar template. And from there, you can create your customized avatar with all these properties. The next thing is to tap this done button. And when you're recording your video, you can use this avatar voice effect to add voices to your avatar. And you just need to choose a voice style, then speak close to your phone. And after everything is okay, you can go on to post your video. In addition, you can use this miniature avatar to create your avatar with facial reactions. And you can also change the size of your avatar or move it to anywhere on your video. And after you are satisfied with your avatar video, you can go on to post it as usual. Now, if you find this video helpful, click the like button below. And if you want to grow and succeed on TikTok and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.